here on Long Island. Earlier today, Nassau County Executive Ed Mangano did say that they have treated the roads that are normally trouble spots. They have the plows out, so he thinks they are ready for this, and they are ahead of this storm. As the snow continues to fall overnight, only time will tell. Reporting live from Nassau County, Stacey Bell, News 4, New York.
Ooh, I don't know what just happened there.
Quite a scene behind her there. I'm not sure if that was a little sliding or spinning or intentional.
Well, certainly, let's try to keep it safe out there.